Welcome to another episode of Down on the Farm. Today we'll be observing aquatic birds and how they cope in their environment. Summer is right around the corner down on this farm, and the birds have returned from the south. Here we see the male duck, called a drake, joining with his mate. What's this? The female seems to be upset with the drake's previous absence. Well, this is quite the heated argument. We'll come back to this troubled couple later. The geese have returned with quite the entrance. Geese are unique as they... Dear goodness! Was that a gunshot? Oh my, the geese have been shot! Someone seems to be on a wild goose chase. Hey, someone help these poor geese! It's a... Anywho, back to the ducks. The mother's egg has hatched! The joy of motherhood. Oh, I just can't wait to see the little duckling. They're always so cute with their little... Oh, good lands! What on earth is that? Look at him! Ew! Seriously, someone tell me what that foul thing is! Oh gosh, please change the footage. I do not want to see this anymore. Thank you. Well... Here are the geese again. This is depressing. Go back to the ugly duckling. Ew. Okay, here we see the mother training that to swim. Well, it seems to be doing well for a newborn. Wow! Look at it go! Yes, the geese are dead. Can we move on? Thank you. What's this? The thing is gone. The mother is sad. The drake is, well, supportive. If this wasn't a National Geographic program, I would have thought this was a soap opera. Who knew a pond could be so dramatic? On the next Down on the Farm. The ugly duckling returns with an unexpected surprise. And the geese, well, they remain dead. Don't miss it!